Another two-part question. As a probate judge of Calhoun County, you're faced with a probate issue that you've never faced or are familiar with. Can you please explain your thoughts on resolving this issue, and where or who would you rely upon to assist you with this important issue? Shirley.
Gosh, I've been faced with a lot of complex situations over the last 26 years. A lot of questions that I didn't know the answers to, and I've had to go find the answers. In fact, I've handled a lot of complex cases for individuals that we always say, this is a bar exam question. And if you've ever sat for the state bar, you'll understand the complexity of that. Also, I've gone through a lot of things in my personal life that has also prepared me for that. And I have the ability to go and look and find the answers, whether I'm going to go look for, opinions from the Supreme Court, from the Court of Civil Appeals, whether I'm going to pick up the phone and call AOC and ask for an opinion from AOC, whether I'm going to call the Alabama State Bar and ask for an opinion from them, from the judicial branch or the judiciary branch in Montgomery. And there are resources available, and those are resources that I've tapped into for the last 26 years, trying to find answers. There are always going to be complex situations when you're dealing in the legal field, and especially presiding over as a judge, there's always going to be complex situations.
So yes, there's resources available. If you're in a position where you don't know the answer, then you do some research, find some resources, talk to the people that work at the probate office. Maybe they've run into that before, or have some outside counsel that you can tap into. But bottom line, research, problem solve. I'm going to make decisions, no matter how complicated they may be, that are within the law, that are rational and informed, and most importantly to me, compassionate. So I'm going to endeavor to do that and problem solve in a very compassionate way.
I think that first you have to research. You're going to look at your code section. You're going to look at any laws that may be around. You may look for legislative updates to see if there's anything new that's come out. Once you do that, I think that I would start with those nearest and dearest. I would start with the staff there in the office. I would ask them, some of them, what their thoughts are, or if they've seen anything of that. If I can't get anything there, then I'm going to go to other probate judges in other courts. Maybe they've experienced it already. Maybe they already have the answer, or maybe they can just point me in the direction of what I need to know to help me make an informed decision. I do think that is important, and that's where the relationships come in. You need to maintain the relationships, not just with your staff, but with those other judges in different counties or different areas. And you just lean on each other, and it takes a team. And I think when you use the whole team, you can always come up with an answer.
Would you explain your familiarity